In today's video, we'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Setting Windows 10 to dark mode is easier on the eyes, saves power, and is just plain old better. Not just that, it's easy to do. So let's get started. The first thing to do, open the Start menu. Click Settings. Select Personalization. And finally, select Colors from the left-hand menu. Here, we have two color options that we can change. The first option, choose your default Windows mode, changes the taskbar and certain other visual elements. And the second option, choose your default app mode, changes the color on everything else. To continue, set both options to dark mode. Once that's done, dark mode should now be enabled. You can navigate through your apps and see that most applications are now using dark mode. And while some programs don't fully support the dark theme, most do. Anyway guys, hopefully this video was helpful, and as always, if you like this video and want more like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.